Howdy, and welcome to Edible Yardz. I hope you enjoy and find value in my content. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. All right, I'm gonna do a little kitchen inspiration for y'all today. I have been growing my own garden in the back. This is maybe like my third, fourth, fifth, sixth, I don't know, I lost count, but I just want to share with you one of my favorite salads. It's a kale and mushroom salad, and I grew the kale in my garden from seed, from scratch. Super easy, super simple recipe, and I'm gonna share it with you right now. All right, let's go. So, ingredients. We got our kale. This is the kale from the garden. We got some garlic. We got some red onion sliced so very fine. Organic mushroom, tamari, and some olive oil. They're super easy, super quick. I just kind of go along the stem with the knife, like so. Get rid of the stem. First off, bowl. I just pour a little olive oil in the bottom. Good. Then we're gonna add our garlic in the bowl. And we got some red onion, like so. Give it a little stir, kind of let it infuse. And I got some tamari. And we're just gonna give that a little stir. So yeah, this is basically the dressing. In the meantime, I'm going to chop up our kale and get it in a nice little tight ball. And then I like to do kind of a smaller cut for kale. That's so good for our body. And then I just kind of go through the center. And then we're gonna dump it right in our bowl. And then the fun part. So, you could take the paddle and just kind of, stir it around, or you could get right in there. See, my hands are clean. I've already washed them prior to this. I'm gonna get in and I'm just gonna literally squeeze it. Yeah, all right, so that's all mixed around. So now, last step for this part, mushrooms. They go right in like that. Just toss them around with the lettuce. And they're gonna just soak up all of that flavor with the garlic and the onions. You see that? Yeah. That's pretty much it. Literally takes no time at all. You can serve this with a grilled steak, chicken, pork, any kind of meat. For the vegans, you can have a nice fried tempeh or a breaded tofu. You can even just sprinkle some sunflower seeds. Mwah. Beautiful. I am gonna do a little vegan style. So to finish it off, I like this vegan cheese. It's quite yummy. Now, some of these vegan cheeses are doing quite well with flavor and texture. I'm pretty impressed. And then the last thing, extra little zing. This is how I would serve it up. With a little bit of vegan cheese, seeds. That's it. Super easy. Hopefully it inspired you to grow some greens in the backyard, because it's really, really rewarding. And it's awesome. For the future, I'll have some more videos coming up. Feel free to visit my website. I got some tips on there of how to grow a garden in the back. So the website is serveotherstoday.com. Yeah, check it out. And until then, happy growing and happy eating. I'll share, I promise. That's it for now, y'all. Please like, subscribe, and comment below.